Hi teachers, this is Mrs. Saltner, and today I want to show you a great resource to use with your students. So I'd like you to go to flipgrid.com, and once you get to Flipgrid, you're going to click here and you're going to sign up for a free Flipgrid account. And it's super easy. You're just going to put your name, your email, password, and the age of your students, and then your subject area. And then you'll click Let's Go, and it'll bring you to where you can create a grid. I already have one, so I'm going to click on the Educator Login, and I'm going to log into my Flipgrid. I created a Flipgrid for my first grade book club. So it shows here that I have one grid called Top Picks. So if I click on my grid, it's going to pull it up, and it's going to show you the videos that my students have created. So I'm going to click on this one here so that you can see.
Hi, my name is Anna, and the title of this book is called Froggy Learns to Swim. The author is Jonathan London. I think you would like this book because it is very funny. I give it 5 stars, and I think you would like reading this book.
Okay, now, if I wanted to, I could click Share here. And this is something I really think is neat. I can make it a QR code and print these QR codes, and other students can scan the QR code, and it will bring them to the video of the book review. So I thought that was a really neat feature of Flipgrid. So if I click here, I'm going to view the grid like it looks as a student. So this is how my grid looks to students. And you can see here that my book club has created short little videos that are book reviews. I've created one down here. It's very, very easy. So I set up my grid to be top picks from our book club. And then my question was, what was your favorite book from our book club and why? Would you recommend it to a friend? And the students responded to me. So this would be something really easy for you to do as well. Maybe you're reading a book in class and you pose a discussion question here. Well, the kids can record themselves talking about the book, and you can have sort of an online book club. And it's really easy. All you're going to do is click the plus sign, and it's going to pull up a recorder. You're going to allow the Adobe Flash Player, and you're going to click the camera here, and it's going to make a recording for you. So let me make a recording of myself. It's counting down for me. Hi, this is Mrs. Saltner, and I'm telling everybody about this cool new computer program I learned called Flipgrid. So then I'm going to click pause on my video. Click the green arrow down here for me. Hi, this is Mrs. Saltner, and I'm telling everybody about this cool new computer program I learned called Flipgrid. Okay. Now, after I click the arrow, it's going to take my picture. So I'm going to smile. And it took my picture, which is going to appear on my grid. And I have the option where I can add a little sticker to my thing if I want. So maybe I'm going to add this little baby chick here. And I can size it, do whatever I need to do with it. It's just going to appear with my picture on the grid. Click the green arrow. And it wants me to enter in some information. So I'm going to put my name. And the rest of it's optional. And I'm going to click Submit My Video. And now it's saying that my video is now visible. So I'm going to click Complete. And here you can see my video. So whenever I click it, it's going to play my video that I just created for me. Hi, this is Mrs. Saltner, and I'm telling everybody about this cool new computer program I learned called Flipgrid. So then I'm going to click pause. Okay, and then it's going to bring me to my next video. So like I said, this is a fantastic way to have interactive online discussions with your students. It's very easy, very kid-friendly. I had my first grade book club do this with no problems whatsoever. So why don't you give Flipgrid a try? I'm sure you're going to love it.